Hey guys, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So today I am here with another gorgeous party makeup tutorial, and for today's look I have created this purple and teal green halo smoky eye look. Recently I got a request from one of my sweetest subscribers, Tanya. She asked me to do a look for a white outfit, but it should not be any nude, brown or neutral kind of a look. So I just decided to add a little pop of color to that white outfit, and as you guys can see, I am wearing a white outfit and it's just looking perfect, isn't it? You can definitely wear this look as a wedding guest or to any party. And yeah, before starting, if you're new to the channel, then hi, I am Nita. I upload makeup, skincare and beauty related videos here on my channel. If those things interest you, then please consider subscribing. It will mean a lot to me, and if you are already a subscriber, then thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. So yeah, first I'm just doing my brows using my Wet n Wild micro brow pencil in the shade deep brown, and then I am taking my e.l.f. Camo concealer in the shade medium beige, and I'm cleaning up the borders on my brows first. Then I'll be applying the same concealer on my eyelids to prime my eyelids for eyeshadows. That is coming up next. And now I am just blending it out using a damp beauty sponge. This particular sponge is from Wet n Wild. To set the concealer, I am using my Maybelline Fit Me loose powder, and I'm just setting the concealer before it starts to crease. For my eyes, first I am taking this purple shade from my Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde palette, and with this Morphe JS15 brush, first I'm applying it on my outer V area, then on my inner corner, and then I will connect those two corners through my crease to create that halo effect. Now, I have noticed that with Huda's formula, it's pigmented, but it's not like one deep pigmentation. You need to build it up to have that intensity, which is actually good in case you are a beginner and you might mess up. And with this kind of formula, the chances of messing up is really minimum. And yeah, you can build it up or you can tone it down as per your own requirement. Now I am taking this kind of matte purple shade. It's a very light purple, and I'm just blending out the edges of the previous shade just to make it look a little more gradient, a little more smooth. And you guys, I really like when you ask me to create a look for you, so please keep on leaving your requests. I absolutely enjoy creating your requested looks. Now I am taking this NYX glitter primer, and I have already applied it on the center part of my eyelid, and now I'm just applying the beautiful shimmery teal green shade. And this kind of shade, it's kind of flaky, and I feel like either you need to wet your brush or you need a glitter primer, otherwise it might get everywhere. And now I am just blending out the edges of the previous shade just so that it blends well with the purple shade. With my Essence eyeliner, I am just drawing a regular wing. In case you are a beginner and you do not like to do wing, you can totally skip it. Before continuing with my eye makeup further, I'm going to finish my base, and for that I am taking my e.l.f. Poreless Putty primer, and I'm just priming my entire face and neck. And I have already moisturized my face about half an hour ago. For color correcting, I am using my L.A.Girl Pro Conceal Yellow and Orange color correctors, and I have mixed them into 3:1 ratio, and I'm just color correcting my under eye area as well as around my mouth and wherever I have pigmentation and dark spots. It will help to neutralize all those darkness underneath, and your foundation will not look grayish in color. And these color correctors are the best, no matter if it is high-end or drugstore, the best. For my foundation today, I'm going with this NARS light reflecting foundation in the shade Valencia. This is a brand new foundation by NARS, and I recently started using it. I still do not know what I feel about this foundation. But right off the back, it looks really natural. It's very lightweight and kind of medium coverage. It's not full coverage, you can see, and it gives you that radiant finish. In case you guys want me to do a full in-depth review of this foundation, then please let me know. And for my concealer, I'm using the same concealer. Since I applied the color corrector, I'm not using much, and this particular concealer is very pigmented, very full coverage, and it tends to become a little heavy and cakey if you use a lot of it. So my suggestion is just take a tiny bit of product and just blend it out. In case you need more, you can just add a little more later. You can see it's already looking pretty flawless. I'm setting my smile lines using the same loose powder from Maybelline, and I have already set my under eye area using the loose powder, but the clip got missing. I'm really sorry for that. Now I am taking my Maybelline SuperStay powder foundation in the shade 312 Golden, and I am setting my entire face and neck. For my contour, I am using this Balm Cosmetics Bahama Mama bronzer, and I am contouring the perimeters of my face. Remember, this is my contour powder, this is not bronzer, because this has a pretty grayish undertone to it, and I cannot use it as my overall bronzer. It looks weird on my warm brown skin tone. So I prefer to use it as my contour shade, and then I like to use a warm toned bronzer with a little bit of shimmer or satin finish to warm up my complexion. For my bronzer, I am using this Wet n Wild bronzer in the shade What Shady Beaches, and you can totally see it has a pretty reddish warm undertone, and it looks absolutely beautiful on my warm tan like brown skin tone, and it's giving me that beautiful sun-kissed glow. For my blush, I am using this NYX Sweet Cheeks blush in the shade Bang Bang, and I like to apply a little more blush on my cheeks because by the time I finish my makeup, I get dressed up, the blush is already faded, and this is a beautiful like mauvey purplish kind of a blush, and I think this blush is perfect for the eye look. For my highlighter today, I am using this Milani highlighter in the shade Afterglow, and I'm just hitting the high points of my face like my cheekbones, my chin, my cupid bow, down the bridge of my nose, as well as the center of my forehead. I'm also highlighting my brow bones as well as my inner corners using the same highlighter. I feel like these highlighters are pretty underrated. I really like the finish of it, and it does not emphasize any texture. It's not glittery at all. Now I'm just setting my entire makeup using my Milani Make It Last setting spray. I'm going to finish the rest of my eye makeup. For that, first I'm tightlining my eyes using my Jordana Easy Eyeliner Pencil in the shade Jet Black, and now taking that matte purple shade, I'm just smudging out my entire lower lash line, and that is it. I'm not doing anything extra for my lower lash line. I'm just curling my lashes with my eyelash curler, and I'm applying a coat of mascara. This is my Essence Lash Princess Volumizing Mascara. You can skip falsies if you want to, but I'll be using falsies off camera. And for my lips, I am using this lip liner from Wet n Wild. This is, I think, in the shade I Got the Juice. I will mention the shade name in the description box down below. For my lips, I decided to go with a purpley matte lipstick, and these lipsticks from Milani, oh my god, they are so good. And the shade that I used is called Failure. I applied falsies, and here is the final look. I truly love how the entire look came together. I added silver jewelry, silver nose pin just to match that white theme, white cool toned theme. I think everything turned out so well, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you guys liked that makeup look that I created. I would love to know your thoughts about this look in the comment section down below, so please let me know. And if you guys enjoyed watching this video, then please make sure to subscribe and like this video, and please share this video with your friends and family. And if you are not following me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, then please do follow me there. I upload a lot of makeup tutorials on my Instagram, so make sure to follow me there. So yes, see you soon in my next tutorial. Till then, bye and take care. Bye.